Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code DTC B12E3 indicates a high-level failure in the electric steering lock system of the Honda Odyssey from 2011 to 2017. This error signifies an issue with the MTR Cut 1 circuit, which is responsible for cutting power to the steering lock, thereby ensuring the steering remains locked when the vehicle is off and allows it to unlock when the engine is started. Electric steering locks operate electronically and are integral to the vehicle's anti-theft measures, enhancing security by disengaging the steering wheel. For optimal vehicle operation, understanding this DTC is crucial, particularly for technicians diagnosing issues with the steering lock mechanism. The MTR Cut 1 component is crucial and typically located near the steering column. This troubleshooting guide will assist in systematically dealing with the B12E3 code. The B12E3 code points to a failure in the electric steering lock system associated with the MTRCUTK1 circuit. This circuit is essential for controlling the electronic mechanism that secures the steering wheel. When the vehicle is off, the steering lock remains engaged, preventing unauthorized steering. The system detects whether the ignition is in the correct position before allowing the steering to unlock. Anomalies or failures in the MTRCUTK1 can prevent this, leading to safety issues and potential vehicle theft. It is important for automotive technicians to accurately locate and assess this component. Generally found near the steering column area, there are several potential causes for the B12E3 DTC that a technician should consider. First, loose or poor electrical connections are a common issue that can lead to intermittent failures in the electric steering lock system. These connections can prevent adequate electrical flow to critical components like the MTRCUT1. Additionally, issues with the ground wire are pivotal, especially if the ground connection at G403 is compromised. High resistance in circuits can also contribute to this error code, leading to insufficient voltage being delivered to the system. Thus, understanding these causes is crucial for successful troubleshooting. Symptoms associated with the B12E3 code often manifest through malfunction of the steering lock. Drivers may experience difficulties in starting the vehicle if the steering lock fails to disengage when the ignition is engaged. Additionally, warning lights related to the steering or electrical systems may illuminate on the dashboard, alerting drivers to a potential issue. Drivers might also notice a lack of response in the steering wheel while attempting to turn, indicating that the system is not operating properly. Furthermore, these symptoms should not be ignored, as they could lead to safety risks while driving. The initial step in troubleshooting the B12E3 code involves using the Honda Diagnostic System HDS to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. By clearing the codes, you reset the system, allowing a fresh diagnosis without confounding prior data. This step lays the groundwork for diagnosing the current state of the vehicle systems. After clearing the codes, it's vital to observe any reoccurrence of the B12E3 code to ascertain whether the condition persists. This is essential in identifying if the error was temporary or indicative of a larger, ongoing issue that requires further inspection. In the second step, the technician is required to cycle the engine start-stop button through various modes: off, ACC, accessory, on, and off again, repeating this sequence a total of 10 times. This procedure is crucial, as it helps to fully reset the electronic modules related to the electric steering lock system. Such cycling can sometimes resolve temporary glitches in the electronic systems, allowing the steering lock to function properly. Following this step, the technician must check for any DTCs again, using the HDS to determine if the B12E3 code has returned, influencing the next steps in the diagnostic process. In this step, you will again utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any DTCs. This reevaluation is essential in ascertaining if the B12E3 code is still present after the initial troubleshooting actions have been taken. The result of this check will direct the technician on what to do next. If the DTC B12E3 is indicated, it clearly shows that the issue persists, necessitating further investigation. However, if it does not show up, the technician may deduce that the error was possibly intermittent, indicating that electrical connections should be checked for looseness or degradation. The fourth step requires measuring the voltage of the electric steering lock at the 12P connector terminal number 7 against the body ground. This measurement is crucial for diagnosing whether the electric steering lock is receiving the necessary voltage for operation. If the voltage recorded is less than 0.2 volts, it suggests a significant issue, warranting further investigation in the system. However, if the voltage is sufficient, it implies that the issue may lie elsewhere, specifically in the ground wire or electrical connections. Properly interpreting this data is vital for effective troubleshooting. In Step 5, after ensuring a proper voltage reading, it is necessary to press the engine start-stop button to select the off mode. This step prepares the vehicle's electrical system for disconnecting the electric steering lock 12P connector safely. Proper procedural actions are important to prevent any accidental short circuits during the next steps. It helps to ensure all systems are safe and helps avoid additional complications while diagnosing the issue. It's essential to follow these instructions meticulously to ensure accurate repairs can be carried out. The sixth step involves disconnecting the electric steering lock 12P connector. This step is critical as it allows for further inspection of the connectors and wiring for any defects or wear. Following this, the technician must also disconnect the keyless access control unit connector B, which is also important for diagnosing connectivity issues related to the steering lock system. This workflow allows for greater access to the wiring harness and eliminates any variables that could obstruct proper diagnosis. Care must be taken to ensure that the disconnections are handled smoothly to prevent any additional damage. In this final step, continuity between the keyless access control unit connector B and the electric steering lock connector must be checked. Specifically, continuity should be verified between connector B terminal number 5 and the electric steering lock terminal number 2. This measurement is pivotal in confirming whether the necessary electrical signals can be transmitted properly between these components. A lack of continuity would indicate a break in the circuit, requiring inspection of the wiring and connectors for any potential faults. Understanding and verifying this electrical path is crucial for solving the B12E3 error. Once all necessary repairs and diagnostics have been completed, it is crucial to perform a final verification of the repairs conducted. This includes checking all the connections and ensuring that any components that were replaced or repaired are functioning correctly. A test drive of the vehicle should be conducted to ensure that the steering lock operates normally and the vehicle starts without any issues. Observing the vehicle during various driving conditions can verify whether the problem has been successfully resolved. It also helps to restore customer confidence in the vehicle's safety and reliability after repairs. Preventive maintenance is vital in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the electric steering lock system. Regular inspection of electrical connectors and wiring can help avoid unexpected failures like the B12E3 code. Keeping the vehicle's electrical systems clean and free from corrosion is essential to maintaining good performance and preventing ground issues. Furthermore, educating the vehicle owner on the importance of a scheduled maintenance plan can prevent early wear in these systems. By implementing preventive measures, technicians can help in delivering a smoother and safer driving experience for the vehicle occupants. In conclusion, the B12E3 code represents a critical failure within the electric steering lock system of the Honda Odyssey from 2011 to 2017. Understanding the implications of this error code, along with its symptoms and underlying causes, is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Following a systematic approach ensures accuracy and efficiency in identifying and resolving the issues tied to this DTC. Additionally, implementing regular checks and preventive maintenance measures can greatly reduce the risk of encountering issues in the future. This comprehensive approach enhances the overall safety and functionality of the vehicle, benefiting both owners and technicians. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.